In the previous video, we got acquainted with Story to divide space vertically. Today, I will introduce about furniture in the library of Allplan. Generally, creating interior objects is essential in architecture. Allplan also provides a library of these various objects. There are three basic factors as follows. Use the objects available in the library. This is relatively simple. You just need to go to Library and open the folder containing the desired object. We usually select Default. Then choose Furniture and choose the room spaces, for example, the living room. Among these objects, select and drag a chair into working space. Specify base point and angle of object. You can double-click and adjust the object's height. By entering relative height. Depending on your desired level, example, offset value equal to 300. You can also resize this object. By Resize 3D Entities tool. Select the object, click the base point. Select source points and target points to determine the zoom vector. We can change it in the direction we want. Generally, we should place architectural objects into room like this. Two. Create the furniture object yourself and add it to the library. In case you want to create any object, and you can also add to the library. For example, I created a 3D object. Select Create Group, Element Group, to make group this object and name it. Choose to create new group or folder to contain our objects, which you can put in Office or Project also. For example, interior architecture. You need to convert 3D objects into smart symbols. Into the user-defined object task, select the smart symbol. You have to name the object. Click on Define New Foil and select the object. Click on Origin and select OK. Right now, the column has become a smart symbol object. Then choose Insert Smart Symbol. Select for smart symbol we just created. Select the based point and select this option like Intelligent Smart Symbol with Snoop functionality. Click OK. We already have a circular column in the Architecture Interior directory. If the object is not a smart symbol, we cannot change the height by relative height. At that time, choose Insert Symbol. Select the object. Select base point and select this object, dump symbol. Enter a name and select OK. Similarly, with this way you can save whatever objects you want. Import data from other software, as well as from the Allplan homepage. If the Allplan library is not fully available, you can download it from the Allplan homepage library. Moreover, you can also import from the library of other 3D software such as SketchUp, IFC or Revit. Then we will have a library for our projects. In my view, we should prepare our library and just take it out when we need it. So we have just learned about the furniture library in Allplan and especially the storage process into the interior folder. Next lesson, we will proceed copy 3D model data to the upper story.